Hi guys, thanks for joining today. We are going to be adding a hatch within our square that we have here. I have already created the square and made sure that it was a closed polyline. You'll need to make sure that whatever object you're trying to hatch, that it is closed. Now, we're going to be using the hatch icon. You can find that over in the Draw Home tab on the Draw ribbon here. Hi guys. Hi guys, thanks for joining today. Today we're going to be creating a hatch within this square that I have here. Now I've already pre-drawn the square and made sure that it was a closed polyline. You'll need to make sure that the object you're hatching is closed. Okay, so I'm going to press escape here just to deselect those grips. Now I'm going to choose the hatch icon, which is right here, or you could type in hatch if you'd like. Let's select that. And we're going to come down and we're going to be selecting, we could either pick our points or select our object, the outline of our object. So we could pick the points which is inside and it's going to determine that boundary line. And I just clicked within that at the preset hatch that we have right there. Now if I scroll down here, we can move it to any other hatches that we would like. For instance, this is a typical concrete hatch. You could also adjust the angle and the transparency, the layer, the pattern size, or even create your own style of hatch. And when you're happy with what you have, you just go to the Close Hatch Creation. And you have your hatch. And if you select on that, it'll open up the Hatch Editor ribbon, and you could edit your hatch as needed. Thanks for joining.